Once upon a time, in a cozy little town, lived two best friends, Kai and Gerda. They loved to spend their days by the windows, surrounded by beautiful blooming roses.
Look, Gerda, our roses are blooming so beautifully today.
Yes, Kai, it feels like summer will last forever.
Such a warm, weak heart. Freeze and obey me, boy.
Everything is so cold.
In a blink of an eye, the Snow Queen swept Kai into her sleigh, and they flew away into the freezing sky.
Kai, no! Come back! Don't leave me!
The sleigh disappeared, leaving only a bitter wind. But Gerda's heart was filled with courage.
I will find you, Kai. No matter how far I have to go, I won't let her keep you.
Gerda's journey led her to a magical garden. A kind old enchantress welcomed her with a sweet smile. She wanted the girl to stay forever.
Oh, what a lovely child. Stay with me, my dear. You will be safe and happy here.
With a wave of her magic comb, the enchantress cast a spell of forgetfulness. Gerda forgot all about Kai.
Just water my beautiful flowers, little one, and forget your worries.
Gerda took the watering can. As she watered the first flower, a tiny heart appeared beneath it. Under the second flower, a hidden snowflake was revealed. And when she watered the third flower, a portrait appeared.
Kai, it's Kai. I remember now. I must save my best friend.
But the garden was locked by a massive door. To escape, Gerda watered one last flower, and a golden key appeared. She grabbed it, unlocked the heavy door, and stepped through. Gerda entered the grand palace courtyard, where a kind prince and princess were waiting to help her. They gifted her a magnificent golden carriage and warm winter clothes, a soft hat, a thick coat, and sturdy boots, to protect her from the north's bitter cold. They warned her that the carriage could only reach the edge of the dark forest, where she would have to continue on foot and beware of the dangerous robbers hiding in the shadows.
In halls of light, they gave me grace, warm velvet for the cold ahead. A carriage waits to start the chase. I'm coming now, my dearest Kai.
Deep in the dark forest, Gerda was stopped by a wild little robber girl.
This fancy golden carriage is mine now. You'll never drive it through these thick trees anyway. But I like you. You're brave. Take my reindeer instead. He knows every path to the north. Go, before I change my mind.
The reindeer carried Gerda to a small, warm hut. Inside lived a wise Lapland woman.
Come in, child. Sit by the fire. You look frozen and hungry. Have some hot fish soup and tell me, where is such a little girl going all by herself?
The Snow Queen cast a spell on my friend Kai and took him to her icy palace. I must find him, but I don't know the way.
Don't lose hope, dear. I will help you. Look at this. It's a map drawn on a fish. Follow this trail. Cross the bridge over the deep gorge and keep heading north. The Snow Queen's palace is very close now.
I see it. Thank you for everything. At last, Gerda reached the shimmering heart of the Snow Queen's palace. There, on a frozen lake, she saw Kai. He was pale and silent, trying to assemble an icy puzzle of a rose. High on her throne, the Snow Queen watched him with a cold, triumphant smile.
Kai, oh, Kai, I finally found you. It's me, Gerda.
But Kai did not look up. His eyes were blank, and his heart was still frozen.
He belongs to the ice now, little girl. He has forgotten everything.
Let's put this rose together. Kai, remember how we used to admire the roses in our garden?
Suddenly, the ice on Kai's face began to melt. His eyes cleared, and the color returned to his cheeks.
Gerda, is it really you? Oh, I feel so warm now.
Hand in hand, they left the frozen kingdom behind. They were heading back to the sunshine, back to their roses, and back to where they were filled with joy and happiness.